Hey everybody, my name's Chris. Welcome to the channel. What's your scent of the day or scent of the night? Drop your comment down below. So today I'm going to give you a full in-depth review on a fragrance from the house of Matiere Premier. This is Crystal Saffron. So today I'm going to give you my full in-depth review. So today's going to be a day in the life video. You guys like these cool videos, so you get another video of it. So I'm going to wear it out today. I'm going to run to Target, get myself some soap. I need some soap. Ran out of soap, right? I'm going to go grab something to eat at the mall, and I'm going to look at some new fragrances if they have any at Neiman Marcus and Nordstrom in the KOP Mall or King of Prussia Mall in Philadelphia. If you're unfamiliar with that mall, you guys definitely got to check it out. But anyway, I'm going to wear this today, let you know if I get any comments, how it performs, and if you should buy this fragrance or sample it, or if it smells like something else on the market. If you like this cool vlog video, please show your support by clicking that red subscribe button down below. A lot of people watch this video but don't subscribe, so why not watch this video and click the subscribe button if you like fragrance content like this. Hey guys, so I just got here to Target. I'm about to put on 3 sprays of Crystal Saffron, see what kind of soap they have in here and body products I need. I'll let you guys know how it performs and if people like it or not. So here we go. Okay guys, just got back from shopping at Target, so I picked up some soap. So I got Buchanan soap. Really like this soap. It's Midnight Swim. Really nice soap. Kind of fresh, sea salty, kind of aquatic. Definitely check this out. Got 2 bars of it. And picked myself up Snickers bar. Get something to eat. I'm gonna grab lunch in a minute, but you know, a little thirsting for some chocolate right now. And I got myself a Pepsi. So I'm gonna talk a little bit about this fragrance here throughout the day. So as soon as you spray this fragrance on, you're gonna get hit with some freshness coming from the musk, right? And you're definitely going to start picking up the saffron very quickly. So saffron has some spices to it. You're definitely gonna get a leather vibe to it as well. Definitely like a subdued or suede leather vibe with this fragrance here. I wouldn't call it a leather fragrance, but you're definitely going to get a leather feel in this fragrance. So if you don't like leather fragrances, you may not like this, but definitely that saffron is prominent. Like through a life with a fragrance, you're getting saffron. You're going to get some fresh cleanness coming from the musk. And then in the dry down, you're going to pick up some ambroxy and incense as well. I think it's an awesome fragrance, guys. I really enjoy wearing this one here. My wife, Kelly, doesn't like this fragrance. I think the way she was telling me, it's very strong. And it is a strong fragrance. As soon as you spray it on, it's strong. So I'm going to touch on the projection real quick. The first 3 or 4 hours, it's very strong. It's beyond the arm's length, where if you overspray this, it could be like a nuclear, like it's just boom. Everybody's going to smell this fragrance. Like it will cross everybody's path. Wherever you walk by, it's going to be like boom, boom, boom in their face. Like it's going to present themselves with that smell in their face before they even see you. So you definitely need to be careful with the sprays. I did a total of 3 sprays. That's enough. I mean, you're going to smell me throughout the day walking around Target, you know what I mean, which I just did, but nobody said anything. Everybody's kind of doing their own thing, you know what I mean? Like, it's the first of the year, you know, sometimes I comment, sometimes I don't. I don't really care at the end of the day, but this is a strong fragrance. If you like saffron, slightly leather touches, you're going to like Crystal Saffron. So this fragrance here I feel is unisex. A man can wear as well as a woman. Some people might seem to be a little bit masculine with the saffron and leather touches to it, but at the end of the day, a woman can wear as well as a man. I feel like it might be a little more sweeter on a woman and more masculine on a man. We should definitely check this out at Perfumology, where I bought my bottle from, and I'll leave links down below for the price, and you can buy 2 ml samples as well. I think it's around like 10-11 bucks for a 2 ml sample, and wear it for a few days, give it a full wearing, and see if you want to buy a full bottle there. So now I'm going to go to King of Prussia Mall, check out some new fragrances, grab some lunch, and I will tell you how the longevity is and the season occasion when to wear this fragrance, and my rating and final thoughts at the end. Okay guys, just got back from the mall, so didn't see any new fragrances. There was like maybe one or two new ones that kind of piqued my interest, but nothing to write home about, and I'm not doing a video on, so I apologize. There was nothing new at the mall. Just left Nordstrom, just got back home, so let me touch on Matiere, and this is Crystal Saffron. So if you like saffron, if you like leather, you're definitely gonna like this fragrance here. I kind of get a Bac Rouge 540 vibe with this fragrance, more in the dry down, just because of the saffron and the spice. I definitely get that Bac Rouge 540 vibe. Not everybody will get that vibe. That's just me personally. I kind of get that vibe on my skin. Now I'm going to touch on my longevity. So longevity, I'm easily getting over 10 hours on my skin. Have no complaints. It lasts all day on my skin. I'm just saying 10 hours is pretty much where it's very, very close to the skin, but you're getting 10 hours at ease. You can smell it throughout the whole day. You don't have to bring it up to your nose or not. You can smell it all around you. Season occasion. So for me personally, this is going to be anytime. You can wear this in the warmer weather, well as the colder weather, but summer might be a little bit cloying, so one spray might be enough. But spring, fall, winter, you can do 3 sprays. You should be good to go. There should be no complaints, and it projects very loud. Occasion wise, you can pretty much wear this dressed up with a polo or button up or a suit and tie or a tuxedo, or you can wear it dressed down casual. It's up to you. It's a fragrance at the end of the day, and when you buy a fragrance, you wear it. Whether you're going somewhere nice or you're just going to run some errands, just wear the fragrance. You're going to smell phenomenal at the end of the day. Ratings and final thoughts. So for me personally, give us a 9 out of 10. Not everybody's going to like this fragrance here. My wife doesn't like it, but I enjoy it. People that like saffron, leather, subdued type of fragrances, you're going to love this one from the house. I'm at Matiere Premiere, and this is Crystal Saffron. You guys should definitely pick it up or buy a sample at perfumology.com. I'll leave a link down below. What other fragrances from the house have you guys tried? Drop your comments down below. Thank you guys for watching. Be safe, everyone, and I'll see you in the video very soon. Peace.